Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to part 7, which will be the last part of some Barber booking app series where we are developing the complete app from scratch with admin panel. On this series, we'll cover setting up Firebase as a backend, user authentication, appointment scheduling, Barber profile creation. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this series. Now let's get started. Video we have made the login page for our admin panel and we have also uploaded the data to the booking collection. I mean, once the user book the service, they can tap to the book button and can directly upload that data to the booking collection in the Firebase Firestore. So in the today's video, we are going to show all the collections, I mean the booking collections in the admin panel so that admin can get to know which user have booked which service, and after the service is done he can directly click to the done button and that service or the booking will be deleted from the Firestore database. Now here you can see the admin login page. Now you know the unique username which is Peter and the password 123456. Now I'll click to the login button and you can see that our login page is working brilliantly and we directly move to the booking admin.dart page. Now on this page, first I'm going to show the text which will be the headline of our admin panel, which is all bookings. So here we are going to show all the bookings that the user have done from the user app. Now we need a text widget here, so we'll write text, and in the text widget we'll write all bookings. Now we'll pass the style text style colors dot black, font size 20.0, font weight dot bold. Yeah, so here you can see the all booking text, but I need to bring this text over here. So I will wrap up with a center widget and will provide the space from the top, I mean to the container. So I will write margin edge inset dot only top 40.0, maybe 60.0. Yeah, so we can also increase the text, so I will change it to 24. Now here you can see the all bookings or headline of this page. Now let's move with a column widget, and here we are going to first create a container where I will show the our service name that the user have booked, which user have booked that service, so the user name and the date and the time at which the user have selected. So you already know that there is a booking collection in the Firestore database. So here you can see the date, email, image, service, time and the username. So we are going to show all these details over here. So first I'm going to create the UI, and through the stream builder we are going to show all the details one by one. So don't need to worry about a stream builder. I will tell you how to use a stream builder in the Flutter app. Now let's move and we'll create a container over here, and we need to also provide the margin from the left and right position of the container. So I will write left 20.0 and right 20.0. Now in the decoration I will write box decoration. Now we are going to use a same color that we have provided in the sign up page, or you can see the admin login page. So this is a gradient color that I am going to use. So I'll copy this linear gradient color from here and will paste it over here. So here it is done. Now let's provide the width to the container. So I will write media query dot of context dot size dot width. Basically media query is something that will help us to make the app highly responsive. So by providing the media query dot of context dot size dot width, our container will use a complete width of the screen, which will make the container highly responsive. Now let's write something on the container. So I will write, I think so we need a column widget over here. So I will write text column children. Now I will write text widget again. And first we are going to show the service name. So I will write service, sorry, I service. Now here cutting. So here you can see the container. Now let's provide the space from the headline and the container. So let's provide the size box height 20 point, you can say 30.0. Yeah. So let's provide the styling to our text widget. So I'll copy the style from here and will paste it here. And we need to change the color to white so that I can see the text on this container. So here you can see the service which is here cutting. Now let's decrease the font size to 20.0. Yeah. Now I am thinking that first at the top left side I will show the user image, then I am going to show the service. So let's do one thing. In the children we'll write image dot asset. So we are, so as I have told you, we are just writing the UI. I'm going to connect it with a Firebase after writing the UI of the container. So let's move forward, and in the images folder I am going to get the random boy image which is boy.jpg, and will provide the height maybe 50 and the width 50, and fit boxfit.cover so that it can use a complete height and the width. So here you can see the user image, but I need this image at the left side over here. So one thing I'm going to do, that I will wrap up the image.asset with a row widget and will write main axis alignment dot start. So here you can see that we have successfully moved the image to the left side of the container. Now we need to also provide the padding over here. So I will write padding edge insert dot all, and we can provide the padding 10. So we can also increase the image over here. So I will write 100 and maybe 100. No, no, it's too big. Maybe 80. Okay. So if you want to provide the border radius to the image, you know that if you have watched my old app series, then you need to wrap up with a clip react widget. So I will write clip react, sorry, react. Now border radius dot circular 30. Maybe we can provide some more border radius, yeah, 60. So we can also provide the border radius to this container. So I'll copy this from here and will paste it over here, and we'll change to 20. Yeah. So let's provide the size box, I mean the space between the image and the text. Now we have shown the service that the user have selected. Now we are going to show the user name. So here you can see the user name. So first of all I will write like this, yes. Now let's provide the size box, not too much space, we need just 5. Yeah. So we'll copy the space and the text again and we'll paste it here. Now we need to show the date. If you want, you can also show the email. So I will write date, and I will write the random date over here. Maybe it is on this format. Yeah. So here you can see the date and the time. So we'll again copy that case and we'll paste it here, and we'll just write time and 04 p 10 p.m. Yeah. So here you can see the service name, date and time. So if you want, you can also provide the material widget to this, I mean the elevation to this container. So one thing you can do, you can wrap up with a material widget, material widget and the elevation 5.0. Now let's provide the border radius to our material widget. So I'll copy the border radius and we'll paste it over here. So here you can see that we have provided the elevation to this container, so it's look more attractive now. So you can set the elevation according to your choice. So let's keep on 8. Yeah. So we have wrote the UI. Now let's connect it with our Firebase so that it can automatically show all the bookings over here on this page. Now, okay, one thing I just realized that I have forgotten to add the our main button, which is done. Basically, this done button will this Siri, yeah, it's gone. So basically, done button will help us to, like, when we'll tap I, not when we will, basically when the admin will tap this done button, then this service will be deleted from the Firestore database, which will mark that this service has been done. So let's create a customized button over here. So we'll write container and child. Now we can provide the button over here, text. I will write done style textile color equals to colors dot wait dot bold. Yeah. Now we need to provide the color to our container. So I'm going to use the color that we have provided before in the sign up page. I think so. No, maybe in the login page. We have used this color only. Yeah, I'm finding this color. We have got this color. Basically that color has a unique code, so I don't know that unique code because there are thousands of color that we use in building the Flutter apps, so I don't know the code. Yeah, so now let's provide the border radius. So I will write border radius dot circular, maybe 10. Yeah, you can see the button done. It's okay. Edge insert dot oil 10. Yeah, done button. Now let's provide the space from the top 20.0. Yeah, you can also provide the space from the bottom for the more accuracy. Yeah, so here you can see the done button. Now let's move and we'll add the our function name get bookings from the database.dart file. So we'll use future. Now, as we are going to use a stream, so let me explain you what is the use of stream builder. Basically, stream builder is like whenever you want to call a list of documents that present in the respective collection, I mean in the Firestore database, then stream builder is one of the best thing, because if you make any changes, like if you update any document from the respective collection, then it will take just a few seconds to show that update in the Flutter app by using a stream builder. For an example, if I want to change the time over here, I mean the time field, and I want to change from 5:52 to 6 p.m. Then through the Flutter app, I make an update and change to 6 p.m. Now the stream builder will just take a few seconds to show the update over in my Flutter app. So I will recommend you to, whenever you want to show the list of documents from the Firestore database, always use a stream builder over here. Now query snapshot will help us to get all the respective documents, and will name the function name get bookings. And you know already the use of async await over here. Now Firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, and will pass the collection name bookings. So here you can see booking, it's not bookings dot snapshot. So this will be the last part of this Barber booking app series, and then you will have one more app to your app bucket list. Maybe this is our eighth app on this channel. So if you haven't followed the other 7 apps, you can see the link in the description box, where we have made all the different apps on this channel. So let me know how you love this series, because on this series I have completely coded with you all. I didn't plan anything like before starting the video. It's like I have some thoughts and started to code and record this video. So if you like this way, because this is the first time I have used this way to record the video on this series. So if you love the way, please let me know on the comment box. And if you want me to record the video in the older style, I mean the through the voiceover, then also let me know, because your query is very necessary for me to know that what really you are looking for. Now let's move forward. Now let's move to the booking.dart page. No, bookingAdmin.dart page again. And here I will write stream and will name the stream booking stream, and will pass a null check error. I mean the null check by using a question mark. Now we'll write widget and will name all bookings. Bookings, yes. Now let us sync, and will return. Now we'll return a stream builder over here. Stream builder over here. Yes. So sorry, we can't provide the async in a widget. That's why it's showing the error. Now in the stream builder, first I'm going to pass a stream which we have wrote booking stream, and in the builder we'll write context async snapshot, which will help us to get all the document, and in that respective document we can get the respective fields. Now here I will write return snapshot dot data, sorry, hash data, and we'll check that if the collection we are calling like booking, then we'll check that if this collection has data or not. So if there is not any data, then we'll just show a container, and if there will be a data, then we'll show a list view builder, which will show me all the documents in the form of list view. So I will write list view dot builder. Yeah. So here I will write not over here. We need to pass it over here. Yeah. So as I have told you, list view builder, and did it has data, then list view builder, and if not, show the container. So it is easy. Now let's move, and in the item builder I am going to pass a context and the index, and through the index we'll get the document like document 1 2 3, like present in the respective collection, and we'll write document snapshot ds equals to snapshot dot data dot docs, and we'll write index. So in the ds we are getting the each field name that present in that respective document. Now we'll also pass the padding, so I will write padding edge insert dot 0. Now scroll direction axis dot vertical, and sync and wrap true. Yeah, it's done, I think so. How item builder will, yeah. Now we'll return what we are going to return, this container that we have just made for the UI. Now we'll copy this complete material widget from here, and we'll cut it from here, and we'll paste it here. That's done. Now so our image is in the form of the link, so we'll write image dot network ds, what is the field name, image, yes. Now our service name, so plus ds service, so I'll write service. Our the username, so plus ds username, this name. Now date, so we'll write plus ds date. We just need to copy and paste the field name, and it will frequently take all the fields by using the string builder. Now we need to also call a function that we have wrote in the database.dart file, which is get bookings, to show all the bookings. Now we'll write get on the load function name. Now we'll write async booking stream equals to await database methods dot get bookings, and we'll write set state over here. Now in the init state, you already know the use of init state, I have explained in the last video. Get on the load, we'll call a get on the load function. Now let's call this all booking function in our column widget, so that we can show all the bookings. Now let's hot restart the app, and we'll go to the main.dart file, and we'll call the booking admin page from there, so that I can show you what all things we have called from the Firebase Firestore. So I'll write booking admin and will hot restart here. So we are getting some error. Let me check. It is writing on valid value. Maybe we need to wrap up with expanded widget. So just wait up for a few seconds. I need to restart the app. So I'll close the complete VS Code and will rerun the app again. So as you can see, our app has launched successfully, and here we are getting the first document. I don't know why this error, like range error valid value. So I think so. Yeah. We forgot to pass a item count here in the list view builder, because we need to pass how much documents are there in the respective booking collection, and that will be passed to a document snapshot. So we'll pass item count and we'll write snapshot dot data dot docs dot length. So we are passing the length of the all the documents, I mean the count of all the document that present in the booking collection. Now let's hot restart the app again, and here you can see that that error is gone, and we are successfully able to see our first document, the image, service, time, and the date. Now, when I'll tap to this done button, I want that this document should be deleted from the booking collection. So let's move to the database.dart file, and here we'll pass a function to delete the bookings. So I will remove the future from here. We'll just pass the string id. We need to pass a string id here because we need to get this id, because this document id is this id. So through the booking collection we'll go to this id and we'll remove this document from here. So we'll name the function name delete bookings. Now id dot delete. Yeah, so here it is done, and we have wrote a function to delete the document. We need to also pass a future over here. Now let's move to the booking admin page, and here in the container we'll wrap up with a gesture detector, and in the on tap method we'll pass the async await database methods dot delete booking, and in the booking we'll pass a ds dot id, and it will give me that id. Now let's hot restart it again, and when I'll tap to this done button, you can see that it takes just a few seconds to remove that document from the app, or you can say the service. Now you can see that it also deleted the document. This document doesn't exist, so this collection has no document. So as you can see, there was only one collection, one document on this booking collection that has been deleted from here. So our app is working brilliantly, and our admin panel part is also done. The final segment of our Barber booking app series, which is a forgot password screen. So we are going to first make the UI of the forgot password page, then we are going to add the backend for the reset password. So let's move to the pages folder, and we'll create a new file name forgot password dot password dot, and I will write import, and will import the packages here, and we'll write stateful widget and we'll name the forgot password, and here I will write scaffold body container child column children. Yes. So here first I'm going to pass the background color. So I will pass the background color colors dot black, and I will pass the size box height 70.0 so that I can provide the space from the top, and I will pass the container and will write child text and will name the headline of this page, which will be the password recovery. Now we'll pass the styling to this text widget by using the text style. Now we'll write colors.white and font size 30.0 and font width dot bold. Font width dot bold. Yes. So here it is done. Now we can align the text to the center. So I will write alignment dot top center. Now let's pass one more size box over here so that I can pass a text again, which will be indicating the user to enter the email for that email that they have forgot the password and they want to reset the password. So I will pass enter your email over here. Now here I am going to pass a email. So first I will write container over here and will pass the padding edge insert dot only left 10.0 and will provide the padding from the left position. Now we will pass a decoration box decoration, and in the box decoration we'll pass a border and we'll give the border to our container. So we'll write border dot all and we'll give the color to our border. So we'll write colors dot white 70 and we'll pass the width 2.0. Now once we have passed the border, we will provide the border radius to our container. So I will write border radius dot circular 30. So now let's write a child over here and we'll write text form field. Now we'll pass a validator and will you already know the use of validator in the text field form field. So if we'll check that if the value is null or empty. So for an instance, if the value is null or empty, we'll return the text to the user to enter their email. So sorry, value dot is empty. Now we'll return please enter your email. Please enter email. Yeah. Now once the user have passed the email, will pass return null because they have filled this form text field, and that's why we don't need to pass anything if there is already an email has been written in the text form field. Now we'll pass a style in the text form field. So I will write style. Now we'll write text style colors dot white and we'll use a decoration input decoration, and in the input decoration first we are going to pass the hint text which will suggest the user to enter the email on this text field, and we are going to pass the hint style and we'll give the text style to our text form field and we'll pass the font size 80.0. Now colors dot white. Now we'll write prefix icons dot, we'll write mail out line, and we'll pass a colors dot white 70, yeah, 60, and the size 30.0. Wait, I am keep on writing the code in the forgot password dot file, but let me show you what all things I've just wrote here. So in the main dot file, I'm going to call the forgot password page. So here you can see the our headline of this page, enter your email, and this is a text field that we have just created. Now let's do one more thing. Let's provide the space from the top. So I will pass the size box height 30.0, and we'll also give the margin to our text form field. So I'll write margin h inset dot symmetric, I think so, horizontal 20.0. Yeah. So here you can see that there is some line over here. To remove this line, you need to write border input border dot none, and it will frequently remove that line in the text form field. So once the user move to the password recovery page, they read the text like enter your email, and they read type their email over here on this text field. Then we need a button just below this text field which will be the send email, and that email will be sent on the email that the user have just entered over here, and through that email they will get one link to reset their password. So first I'm going to create a customized button over here. So let's move to the booking admin, and we'll copy this done button from here, and we'll paste it over here, and we'll change the text to send email. So here it is done. Let's provide the space from the top. So I will write size box height maybe 50.0. Yeah. So this is a simple UI that I have just created for a forgot password screen. If you want to make it more with colors and all, then you can also make the forgot password screen UI according to your choice. Now let's move to the our main function of this forgot password screen, which is reset password. So this function will be called when the user will click to this send email button. So I will write reset password. Now I will write async, and I will write try, and again we are going to use our try catch error that we have already used in the login and sign up page before. So I will write await Firebase auth dot instance dot send password reset email, and here we are going to pass the email. So we need to create a string which name will be email. Yeah, so we'll pass a null check error over here. Now we'll write a snack bar again where we'll pass that password reset email has been sent. So once the user have sent their email to this function name send password reset email, we are going to show the snack bar here again. So let's move to the sign up dot page, and here we are going to copy the scaffold, I mean the snack bar from here, and we'll paste it here. So we'll change the text to password reset email. Sorry, email has been sent. Yeah. So here it is done. Now, once the email has been sent, and for an example, if there will be a error like they have passed that email that they have don't used to register in the app, I mean used to sign up in the app, then we will show the message that no user found for that email. So will check that if the user not found by using e.code function that we have already done in the sign up page before. So we'll pass a catch so that we can catch the error, and we'll write if e.code is equals to user not found. So for an example, if the user will not found, then we'll again pass a toast message, or you can say a snack bar just below the screen, and we'll pass the text that no user found for that email. Yeah, so here it is done, and we have wrote a complete function for the reset password. You can see it is very easy to write a function for login page, sign up page, reset password page. It is very easy. You don't need to like remember any of things. All functions are already pre-coded. You just need to bring one function after the another, and it is very easy, and there is just to write a snack bar once, and you can copy that snack bar on each of the functions. So now let's move, and here you already know that we need to create a global key so that we can check the validation. So let me create that global key over here, form state. So here it is done. Now we need to wrap up the container with a form widget so that we can pass a key, not, yeah, key form key. Now in the send email button, we are going to first check the validation. So we'll write the if form key dot current state, yes, state dot validate, and set state. In the set state, I'm going to write email, and sorry, I think so we need to also pass a text editing controller so that we can handle the text that the user enter over here. I am damn sure that by following this Barber booking app series, you get to know lots of things regarding the Flutter and Firebase. Now, there is one more app to your app bucket list, and if you want to follow some more tutorials or the app development series, you can follow our or subscribe our channel, because I'm going to bring some more exciting series on this channel here again. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Now we have wrote a complete function for our forgot password screen. Now let me show you how the email will be sent on the email that the user type over on this text field, and how I will also show you how to reset the password by using the Firebase. Now let's move, and first we are going to sign up in the app, and we'll use that same email ID in the forgot password screen, and will tell the app that I have forgot the password for this email, and please suggest me to reset this password. So I'm going to call the sign up page over here. Here I will write the random name, and I will write the email ID. Now the random password, and we'll click to the sign up button. So we have registered successfully. Now let's move to the forgot password again, and we'll tell the app that I forgot the password for this email ID. So I will write here my email ID, and we'll click to the send email button. So as you can see, password reset email has been sent. So now let's check the email where I have got the link. So here you can see the email ID where I've got the link, and I'll please press to this link, and it will redirect me to a different page, and here it is suggesting me to reset the password for this email ID that I have just entered in the app. So I will pass a random password over here and click to the save button, and you can see that a password has been changed and now I can sign in with my new password. So our forgot password screen is also working brilliantly, and we have made a complete Barber booking app from the scratch by using Firebase with admin panel. So if you have loved this series, then please do not forget to hit that like button down below. I will paste a complete playlist of this Barber booking app series in the comment box. Just click to that link and you will get a complete playlist of this series. And if you have loved this series, because I have tried something different, because I have coded with you all, I didn't plan anything before starting this video. I was just like, I will code with you all, and if I face any problem, then I will show you how the problem to be get resolved. So hit that like and subscribe button, because if you will subscribe this channel, then it will give us lot of support to bring up some more series to this channel, and it is totally free, and you can also be a part of our Flutter developer community. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So now let me bring some exciting new series on this channel. So wait for a new exciting series. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.